Hi, Waller ISD family. Are you having a problem with your district-issued student Chromebook or iPad? To contact WISD Technology and request a repair or assistance with another district-related issue, start by logging in to your child's Clever. If you do not know how to log into Clever, visit https://wisd.fyi/access Clever. Once you are logged into Clever, scroll down to the heading Campus Resources. Then click on the Student Technology Help icon with a bulldog on it. This will bring up a Google form. Simply complete the form and someone from our tech team will be in touch with you as quickly as possible to provide assistance. Other resources are available at www.wallerisd.net or https://wisd.fyi/online family resources.